Hey guys, Justin Labato here in Autogeek Show Car Garage, and today we have with us special guest Billy Bogus of American Detailer Garage. Billy, and we want to talk about his product called F-Bomb. Great all-purpose cleaner, and it comes in different quantities, different sizes, different concentrations, and of course different purposes, and that's why we have Billy here to explain that. Billy?
Well, thanks for bringing us down, Justin. It's always great to see you. F-Bomb is our multi-purpose cleaner, and it's available in several different sizes. So the professional size would be like the gallon for shops. We make it in pint, quart, and also we make it in a ready-to-use version where it's already diluted down. Somebody that wants to try F-Bomb out for the first time, maybe they've heard great things about it, but they just want to try it. So we made it in a ready-to-use version with the spray trigger for people that want to get in on the entry level and just kind of see what it's all about.
Very nice. And then the different purposes for it and the different ways that it could be used.
The cool thing about F-Bomb is because it's a soap-based cleaner, it's able to be used on grimy wheels, tires. We've seen it clean engine bays that were really nasty. But it's also great for interiors as well, delicate leathers. I've seen people remove lipstick stain from headliners. Just really an all-around multi-purpose cleaner, what a true multi-purpose cleaner should be.
And with the different levels of concentration, like you had mentioned, you know, with the professional use, this allows you to really just preload it at the dilution needed for every aspect of the vehicle, whether it be exterior, interior, and you get the best bang for your buck getting into these concentrated
You really do. And so there's several different ratios for F-Bomb, and it really is up to the end user. There's a lot of forgiveness in the ratios, but you know, you have 4-to-1 for really, really dirty stuff. 10-to-1 will tackle like wheels, tires, wheel wells, exhaust tips, and then 20-to-1 is probably better used for the inside interior parts.
Very nice. And I noticed too, with all those different levels of concentration, the lathering effect is out of this world. I mean, the more you agitate, the more it lathers, and if you get into that, that's a good, I think, aspect of it.
You know, we wanted to make something that worked as hard as the detailer does, something
Yeah.
that works along with you. And going back to the formulation of F-Bomb, if you put it on tires and it tends to dry in the spot, if you're outside detailing maybe, or mobile guys, you don't have to reapply the product, just wet it down and it reawakens the product. It's like a continuous cleaner.
Very nice. So there you have it, directly from the source, Billy Bogus himself, explaining the different uses of F-Bomb and of course the benefits of F-Bomb overall. So you've seen it here, go ahead and give it a try. Make sure you like, share, and follow us at Autogeek.com. And remember, at Autogeek, the beauty is in the details.